Hi, this is Fernando Herboso, and thank you for coming to our website about short sales. And today we're speaking about short sales. And today I'm going to speak about a subject that is somehow maybe a little bit sensitive to some sellers. And that is something to do whenever you're trying to do a short sale and you're renting the property. Okay, and I get this question sometimes, whether they're calling me or they send me an email and they need to find some more information about how to do a short sale, and they want to know what is the position of the renter on this situation. Should they be renting this property while they're doing a short sale? And my answer has always been this, that if you're selling your house as a short sale and you are also trying to rent the property so you can profit on a monthly basis from the rental of this property, because during a short sale you may not be making those mortgage payments, and that's not really a good position to put yourself under. And the bank, and I recognize that, this is not time to be profiting from the house. You're trying to avoid a foreclosure and you're asking the bank to forgive you a huge amount of money that the house is underwater. And at this time, you should be able to be frank with your tenant, if you have one, and ask them that you are putting the property in the market as a short sale because you have to do it in order for you to avoid a foreclosure. And the tenant should be able to understand that, and we can help you negotiate with the tenant in order for them to be able to find another property where they can go and rent. But never sign an application or a lease with a person to rent a property when you have the property on the market as a short sale, or you're thinking that a foreclosure is imminent for you and you're trying to make some money on that property before you lose it. That is not a fair thing to do for the tenant. You wouldn't want someone to do that to you and your family, and of course you shouldn't do that to somebody that is also looking to rent a home and not waiting for the bank to come in and says, hey, you'll need to get out. This is not your house anymore, and you have so many days to get out. So before you think about profiting in your home, when you're doing a short sale, you're not going to do it with me. I'm going to advise you the right thing because I'm going to give you the right results, and I'm going to get the results you're looking for, because the most important thing here is not that you're going to profit for a few $100s a month on the house, or you can take the stove when you're doing a short sale. The most important factor for you is that you finally relieve of all this stress, you sell your property for what you owe, and whatever the bank did not get because your mortgage was underwater, they will forgive you 100%, so you can go on, and between 2 and 3 years later you can purchase another home again. That is the right way to do a short sale. If you need more information about short sales, please don't hesitate to call me. I'll be glad to help you. 240-426-5754. My name is Fernando Herboso, short sale experts, Maryland, DC, and Virginia. Thank you and have a good day.